Welcome back to our channel. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. So as you read by the title, Jasmine and I are going to be doing a sour slime candy challenge. So she got cherry, I got green apple, and it's literally like this little slime thing. It looks like slime inside of a tube.
Edible slime.
But inside there's a mini spoon, and we're gonna see who can eat this whole thing of candy using this tiny spoon.
Wow, this is small.
First one to finish is the winner. Team Mom in the comments,
Team
guys,
Jaz,
because
guys.
Team Mom is definitely gonna win.
Team Jaz is definitely gonna win.
Definitely not.
Definitely so.
So we're gonna go ahead and open our little thing here because we don't want that to take
ages.
That was the easiest thing for me though. It's sour.
It's not that sour. I'm definitely winning.
And you already got your spoon out.
Oh.
All right, guys. So if you guys would like to see who is the winner of this challenge,
I'm so winning.
Please keep watching. Look at how little these spoons are, guys.
They're so small. I'm definitely
They're tiny.
Definitely.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm so nervous.
On your mark. Get set. Go. I don't want to be able to finish this whole thing.
Why?
It's a lot.
This is definitely edible slime.
Jasmine is loving it. It's like stuck on my teeth.
My lips. So good.
This is harder than I thought though.
How much do you think I got? I think I have less than you.
I think they're the same to me. This is harder than it seems. Like it's literally stuck. Yeah.
But it's amazing.
It is nasty after a while.
No, it's not.
To me it is. You like candy and you hardly ever have candy. So I know you're loving this right now. We limit Jasmine's candy intake.
Especially on Halloween. Mommy trying to steal all my candy, especially that.
We throw out most of candy though on Halloween. I definitely have less than you.
How sour is yours?
Not too bad. Is yours sour?
Only a little bit.
It gets sour like every time like I put like 3 or 4 spoons back to back in my mouth. That's disgusting.
I don't care. It needs to be clean. Wow. This is a lot.
Told you.
Jeez, I'm definitely not winning.
It's like stuck in my throat. Giving up so soon?
No, I'm just licking my fingers clean.
Guys, look at how much I have left. Who do you guys think is gonna win this? Show them yours, Jazz. Definitely Team Mom. Team Mom in the comments, guys. What happened? It starts to taste nasty after a while, right? What happened? You give up?
Big one.
Sure looks like it.
You still have time. I'm going to rinse my face and my hands.
Chaz, why would you rinse that in the middle of a challenge? That, guys, she did that on purpose because she knew I was gonna win.
No.
Yeah, you did.
My mouth is disgusting.
So rinse it after the challenge. We're in the middle of a race.
Good job.
This end part is starting to taste like soap.
You're still not done. I thought you were done already. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Alright, guys.
I tried, guys.
I won. Empty. That jump was hard and disgusting. The first few bites were good. After that, it was gross. All right, guys. So once again, Team Mom won. Team Jaz lost. Once again, she said she was gonna win, and she still lost. So, Team Mom in the comments, guys. Let us know if you liked today's video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click on that bell button so you are notified each time we post a new video, and we will be back with more videos. Bye, guys.